we're here at Fast Lane Drive. We just did a rally doing a $140 on the highway, but this is the one I want to talk about right here. This thing's a Lexus Unicorn, sick V10 Lexus monster. This thing's actually, let me show you back here. Got an active wing with a stupid shock on it. It's like this is basically a suspension on your shock. You really can't get much cooler than that. And then you got this tri-pipe exhaust. It's developed by Yamaha. They're making instruments 24/7. They stopped what they're doing, developed an exhaust for this car, and it sounds like a jewel. This is a special Mclaren. You see the faded paint job. I mean, fucking unreal. Unreal. 750S. Carbon fiber everywhere. Like, dude, the vents on this thing, outrageous. Carbon fiber. The whole tub of the headlight is just a carbon fiber tunnel with vents everywhere. And the interior, like, dude, come on. This guy has a special plaque with his name on it because he ordered it before it was out. So they gave him his own plaque, threw his name on it. Interior sick. Got the aqua Miami Dolphins colorway. And then you got a gold SF90 right next to me, which is probably one of the fastest car here. This thing's outrageous. Got the purple Lamborghini. Ain't nothing like that. You know when they make a song about a purple Lamborghini, it's cool. So this thing's pretty sweet. 2023, brand new. And then got this classic Ferrari. Sweet. There's actually a 4-door or a 2-door wagon on the other side. I don't know if you guys caught it, but pretty sweet car. Same exact spec, but it's a wagon, which is super rare. So, and then you got the classic Lambo truck, which is pretty common. So everybody's got those, but then you got the rest of the lineup. You got the Ferrari SUV, probably the first one in America. You got Porsche, you got Lambo, you got GT4 RS, pretty sweet. And McLaren GT straight ahead. Fast Lane Drive. We did a rally with them, pretty sweet. Pretty cool. Got all the guys chilling at the meat market, you know, getting some drinks. Pretty cool. Definitely recommend. Shout out to Fast Lane Drive. Shout out to Jay, Mike, Just, Buckin, maxing out the Silverado, going 100, not even 100, 98 miles an hour. Putting governors like, bah, 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 bah. You know, and then they call us, you guys take off governors? No, bro, he runs the store, he has a governor. We don't do that. So don't ask us if we take governors off, all right?